Certainly don't, they don't hang around after Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Hello and welcome to our channel, Portugal on a Shoestring.
Hello and welcome to Portugal on a Shoestring. We're still taking a break between Christmas and New Year from doing renovation videos. We are still continuing, or I am still continuing with the actual jobs, but we'll do some videos after the New Year. We hope you had a fantastic Christmas, got to meet all your family and friends and had a great time. We come indoors today because there's about 6 different crews of workmen either trimming or using chainsaws, and lorries going past. There's all sorts going on today. This is the 27th of December, so certainly don't hang around after Christmas. Anyway, Diane flew out to the UK from Lisbon last week. Yeah, with going all the way down there, I thought it makes sense to make a bit of a weekend of it. So booked an apartment and had a bit of a wander around Lisbon. Booked an apartment in the middle of Lisbon. This is the view from the window. It's a nice little square. The windows were filthy, but that's either here nor there really. We thought we'd just take a walk around the different streets. No plan in mind, just wandering around seeing what we could see. If anybody knows anything about this little monument, let us know. I'd be interested about that. Stunning buildings everywhere you turn. This is a little pottery souvenir shop. It's typical tourist stuff really, but lots of really nice stuff. I like the little birds that you hang on a nail on the wall. They can be cute. There they are. We come across this queue. Didn't know what it was for, so we thought we'd just follow it along, see what's at the end. And it went on for ages. I didn't even record all of this. This is just a section of it. What it turned out is that it was for an indoor circus in a theatre. I don't know if this is a permanent thing or whether it's just around Christmas or what. But yeah, just keeps going on and on and on. There it is there. And the queue carried on in the opposite direction as well. And these are all the people coming out of the theatre. The show must have finished. There was a little Christmas market thing in the area. There's a large one in the middle of Lisbon in the a big park, but this is like a little satellite one. Big enough for me. Basically the same stuff you get in Christmas markets everywhere nowadays. Quite overpriced souvenir tat. A few drinks, a few bits to eat. Oh, Diane found a new friend. Oh. Panicking in this shop because I had a bit of a rucksack on, and It was that crammed I thought every time I turned around I'd just wipe out a shelf full of ornaments. You see that castle that was visible from the apartment there? This road is just, the whole length of it has these sorts of tables and chairs in restaurants. And this is the iron elevator. It's mainly a viewing platform, really. There wasn't much of a queue to get onto it, which is quite surprising. But because it was freezing up there. They've got stunning calzada pavements everywhere. I mean, even the side streets have them as well. Tuk-tuks and vintage cars. This is the archway into the main plaza on the water's edge. These trams are, although they're a tourist thing, they're also part of the general public transport system. So people use them all the time as well, just as normal buses. And I love these. The crossings have a countdown on them. This is the main plaza. It'll be a stunning place in the summer, this. It was a nice day when we went, as you can see, but it was a bit cool. Seaside. Not much of a beach, to be honest, but it was lovely. This is one of the galleries along the side of that plaza. We also went out of a night to have a look, see what the lights were like. Trees wrapped in lights and things hanging from the leaves. I love these little sort of purple things hanging from the trees. They were great. And someone spent some money on that house. Look at that. It was a really nice place. I'd like to go again in the summer when it's brighter and warmer and you can walk around a bit more comfortably. But yeah, definitely go back. and this is back at the apartment. Anyway, let you go over to Diane in the UK and see what she's up to.
Hello, I'm currently in the UK at the moment, and we're doing something that we normally do most years, is make our own mince pies. So I'm covered in flour, I'm going to make some mince pies.
Yeah.
I've got flour all over me. So what I wanted to say is Merry Christmas everybody. I hope you enjoy your holidays, your festive time, and I'll see you very soon.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Yeah.
We'll do the bases and then roll again and do the lids.
Okay, so how many are we doing?
3, 6, 9, 12. Is this copyright?
I've no idea. We wish you a Merry Christmas. You can only say.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree.
Oh dear,
I don't know the words.
How lovely are your branches.
There you go, that one.
That's only the bit I know.
Oh, doggy's joining in. Junior. Oh, that one.
You put
That's
that
definitely
That's a
copyright.
copyright.
Yeah.
We wanted to sing you some Christmas songs, but we're not allowed. YouTube won't let us do it without paying people, and we're skint.
Yeah. Oh, Junior. Are you going to eat all the leftovers?
Jewish star instead of a regular star.
We've rolled them quite thinly, the pastry, because we don't like big wedgy pastry. We need plenty of filling, so we just nice thin. Plenty of filling.
Plenty of filling.
She had to say it like that.
I don't know. I think we must have had too much mulled wine.
Yeah. It's what the holidays are all about.
Right.
Re-roll.
Right, we'll see if we can get 12 stars. We used to always do this when they were children.
Yeah.
Basically, because they break up from school and then you've got days until Christmas, so you've got to keep them busy and find things for them to do. So making mince pies was one of them. And it's just been, now that they're in their 30s, we just carried on. Let's just carry on.
And we've got a junior involved
Oh,
because
we got
he's staring it all down, knowing that a little drip might go on the floor.
Mr. Crummy.
We'll put the stars on the top. Ready? So we do stars.
Ready.
So they're ready to go in the oven.
About 12 minutes and we'll see, maybe a bit less.
Junior's like, how about no?
I've never cooked in Katie's oven before, so we
I
don't.
rarely cook in Katie.
I've not pushed through the pastry enough, so.
I thought it was a sock warmer.
Dog out the way, you're gonna burn your.
Come on, doggy.
Still not. Should we go higher?
What do we think?
Really, I'd say a minute or so.
We're getting
Yes,
close.
minutes. Look how little
It's a teeny tiny one.
It's a practice batch.
Oh, you're a good pig.
Oh, they look quite good.
Go.
Little-
Yeah. We always have a shriveled one. What do you think, Junior? You waiting for her? Oh, so we're gonna cover these bad boys in our
We've got a
lovely-
new addition actually.
Yeah.
Glitter's a new addition this year.
Yeah.
Edible glitter.
Yeah. And some of the icing sugar, of course, over the top.
It hides
So-
all the rough bits.
Yes, the imperfections. Yeah.
Of which there are many.
There are not. Wink, wink.
I'm sure they'll get eaten anyway.
Yeah, that's true. Any they don't want, they can go to Junior. There you go.
Do you want to spray these?
That was the already been sprayed.
We're all glittery this year. Sparkly. Put them all in nice pretty tins to send to Grandma and Grandad and aunties and uncles. And we're just doing another batch just to fill them up a little bit more. So
Another little lot to go in when they've cooled. So we're doing well. We're nearly finished now.
Well, those mince pies look lovely. Unfortunately, I'm not going to get any of them because they did go off by the time they got here. Anyway, thanks very much for tuning in and wish you all a Happy New Year. We'll be back with some renovation videos next week and we'll see you all then. Ta-ra now.